Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to see a doctor online using Sesame Care. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. On this page, click Book Online. Click on Book Online. If you're a new customer, enter a valid email address on the field provided. Then click on Submit. But if you're an existing customer, you may log into your account. Now, search for a provider. You may also filter the availability, ratings, credentials, and etc. for more precise result. Once you've found the provider you're looking for, select now the time that works for you. Choose from the options provided. You will be then offered a $10 discount if you activate a membership. If you wish to, click on the Activate Membership button. If not, click on Maybe Later. If you also don't have an account yet, you could sign up using an email address and a password. After that, enter the patient information such as the first and last name, date of birth, and sex. For appointment information, enter the reason for appointment and the patient's location during visit. Next, select a payment method. You could use Google Pay, credit card, or debit card. You could also apply a promo code if you have any. After that, click on the tick box to confirm that you agree to Sesame's policy. Lastly, click on the Pay for your visit button. Also, before your visit, make sure to complete your medical history and update your prescription settings. You could also add any document that can be useful to your provider and your visit. Then for your appointment, make sure to test your audio and video so the appointment could run smoothly. And that's how you see a doctor online using Sesame Care. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.